Have you ever wondered how some creators just open their YouTube channel just within a month or two and they already getting 1,000 subscribers and almost getting monetized? Have you ever asked yourself that question? What exactly are they doing differently? And you seem to have utilized almost all the strategies you have, like going through shorts, doing collab shorts, and then you're still not able to get up to 1,000 subscribers and even up to 10 watch hours on your channel. Watch this video to the end to know exactly the specific strategy, and not just knowing the strategy, and also how to apply the strategy to get that same result those content creators you've been admiring from afar, so that you also be smiling at the end. But look at my channel, you see that this channel actually was created this year 2026. Just take your time and go through my channel, and on this channel within a week or two I was able to get 5,000 subscribers. Hold on, some persons will be saying that's what they say. It is not possible, guys. It is possible. So that same strategy is what I'm about to share with you on today's video. So number one strategy, this strategy is not a hook, is not a hack, but it's a proven strategy I myself personally have utilized and have used. Also getting testimonies of other creators I've also shared these strategies with, and it is working for them. So please sit back, relax, and watch this video to the end, because you will exactly get that same results we all have gotten. So number one strategy I'm going to be sharing with you is, number one is that you change that file name the video comes with after editing your video on any of these editing app tools. So reason you're changing this file name is helps YouTube algorithm to know what exactly that particular video is all about. So because most of us ignores little of these things and we think it doesn't matter, I bet you they all do matter in providing and also yielding results which you are actually looking for. So after editing your video, so before downloading or exporting that particular video on either of your CapCut, after you have downloaded, it's going to come with a particular file name that editing app has given to you. So before downloading, I'll advise that you save that file name with exact topic video is actually all about. So that same topic you're going to be titling that video on your YouTube channel is same topic you should use to save that particular video well after you have completed editing it on the editing app. So that's the first strategy. So here the second strategy is, yes, some persons will tell you do not upload your videos through the YouTube app. I do upload my videos through the YouTube app. So you can watch my video where I actually shared how you should, the proper way you can actually upload your YouTube videos. I personally upload my videos through the YouTube app, and this is what exactly I do. So after I have uploaded my video on the YouTube app, because why I do that is because it is faster uploading your video on the YouTube app and is actually less data consuming. If you do usually upload your video through the desktop version, it takes a lot of time. Sometimes it might even take hours, and in this thing you won't be able to manage your data. So this is exactly what I do. So after I've uploaded my videos through the YouTube application, within 5 to 10 minutes I have completed uploading the video. I make sure I place that video unlisted or private. So after I put it under unlisted or private, I make sure that video doesn't go public. So I switch to my YouTube Chrome version, or the desktop version as you may call it. I go there to optimize the video properly. So that is where I'll now go and set up my cards and set up my playlist and also set up my category. So that this will bring me to the next strategy, which is the category strategy. So a lot of YouTubers, like I fall into this bracket actually, as at the time when we opened this channel I was actually a novice. It was, as time goes on, I was able to watch other YouTube coach and also learn from how to upload your videos and how to optimize your channel and all of this. So do not ignore all of the teachings of all these YouTube coaches like my channel. These are actually strategies that we all have applied on our channels, and they are working for us. I was a particular video, and I was able to know that everything about YouTube coach and all, any videos that is speaking about YouTube growth has to be on how to and style. So how are you able to know which particular category your video actually belong to? I'm going to be sharing that with you. So what you should do is you go to that particular content creator who belong on the same niche. So what you should do is that you would copy the YouTuber's link, and then you go to the share button, click on the share button, and then copy the particular YouTuber's link. That is any YouTuber you know that both of you belong into the same niche. With the link, go to metadata on your Chrome version, paste the link there. Then from there you'll be able to see what the particular category your own niche should belong to, right? So this is how you can know your category. It took me a lot of time, it took me months for me to be able to discover this. So this is a serious strategy you should also apply and never to ignore. So strategy is that don't ignore the power of putting your videos on playlists. Guys, it is mind-blowing. All these little things you might think never matters, but they do matter. So never ignore the power of playlists. Ensure that your video is categorized on every playlist that video is all about, and make sure that that playlist is safe and also public. So this will enable YouTube algorithm to, whenever they are pushing your videos, they would also push your other videos, so that your video will be accumulating views and also watch hours, and also it gives you more leverage to also get more subscribers to your channel. So the fifth strategy I'm going to be sharing with you here is, when you're also optimizing your videos on the desktop version, don't also ignore the power of cards and end screen. If you upload your video on the YouTube application, right, you wouldn't have access to all of these features. So when you go through your desktop version, it gives you that opportunity to be able to edit all of these features and also get your video optimized. So here you can simply upload your videos through the YouTube app version, but the but there is, don't put it on public immediately. Ensure that you put it on private or unlisted. Then you go to your desktop version and also get all of these features edited and optimized properly before you can now leave it public. And the last bonus here, if you watch up until this time, is once you upload your video and get your videos optimized properly, please still hold on and don't push that video public immediately. This is what I do. So you leave that video for at least an hour or two before you leave it public. You know why you're leaving it for an hour or two is for YouTube algorithm to assess that video and know if there is any violations on that video. You wouldn't want to take your time and take all the stress of editing, shooting your video, and once you upload that video, then you get strikes from YouTube. So to avoid that, ensure that that video you have already optimized, uploaded on your video, don't just be in a hurry to push it to the public. Hold on, let YouTube assess that video for at least an hour or two before you put it on public. So once you left it for at least an hour or two and you check the notifications, no violations and all, then you know that your video is actually free from any violations of YouTube policies before you can now push it public. So if you find this video very helpful, kindly please hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, subscribe to my channel, and also watch my other video. I also like us to engage in the comment section. If you're a new creator, please let's engage one-on-one and let's know what you do on your channel. Let's know the niche you belong to on the comment section so that we can engage and also support each other. So please see you in my next video. As a sign out, bye for now. Bye.